My name's Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked for IRS over a decade. I've been in private practice for 4 decades. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. I'm a national expert in IRS tax resolution. I'm the home of the 5-minute video. I hate to make long videos because people just go on, yada, yada, yada. So I'm going to try to tell you what I know within 5 minutes. If you need to know more, you can always call me. So today, I want to talk to you about the trust fund taxes. So what do you do and how is IRS going to work trust fund taxes? A trust fund tax liability. Most people get shocked when they've owed payroll taxes and they found out they got the 6672 penalty assessed against them. That's the trust fund penalty. As a former IRS agent and revenue officer, I probably set up thousands of people for this trust fund tax. People don't know what it is, how to work it, how it applies. The trust fund tax is, if you're listening to this video, simply means you owe 941 payroll taxes and IRS has assessed the withholding and 1/2 of the Social Security against you, who IRS held you personally responsible for. Now, a lot of those, they're not even owed, that you didn't file an appeal or a protest, and now you're looking at this liability that you really don't owe. So one of the options is to go ahead and file an offer in compromise doubt to liability and say, hey, IRS, I don't even owe the liability. I don't know how I owe this trust fund tax. So that's one option. But for those of you who do owe the trust fund tax, the 6672 penalty, you will notice there's no failure to pay. There's only interest on it. That interest will continue to grow. How's IRS going to work that case? IRS is going to ask for a financial statement. They work it like they work any other case. They work it like you owe personal income tax. They're going to want a financial statement. You're going to have to document that financial statement. You're going to have to send the financial statement document to IRS, and you're going to find yourself in one of 3 categories based on your financial statement and documentation. You're either going to be put in a currently non-collectible, you're going to either be put on a payment agreement, or you may be able to go ahead and file for an offer in compromise if you meet the criteria. So if you have that trust fund tax, find out if you really owe the liability, or you can file an additional liability claim on an offer form that says you don't owe it and you can document it. And if you do owe it, then you better be prepared to call IRS with a financial statement documented. Now, if you have a small case, do it yourself. If you owe over $50,000 or $60,000, I wouldn't be giving IRS a financial statement unless somebody goes ahead and reviews it. Also, if you're calling a company to go ahead and help you resolve the debt, make sure they know what the hell they're doing. 90% of all these companies hire salesmen to go ahead and sell you on the firm and the product they have, and they don't know what the hell they're doing. The best advice I give you is to hire a smaller firm, be able to speak to the person who's going to work your case, who can review it and give you the advice you need. We're available, by the way. We give expert and affordable representation. I can always give you a free consultation, but there's a lot of good firms out there. Don't go ahead and call IRS on your own unless you get enough of advice to know what the hell IRS is going to do. By the way, if you call IRS, IRS is going to want all your tax returns filed and to make sure you have enough withholding or estimate payments being made in the year that you're calling them. So remember, your trust fund liability may not be right. You can always challenge that. And if you're going to owe the money, it's just like you owe personal income tax. Be prepared to either make payments, or IRS may take your case and put you into a currently non-collectible hardship. Give me a call. Oh, by the way, I try to share with you everything I know. There's a little bell for a subscription YouTube thinks people are very valuable and people subscribe to the YouTube. If you could give me a subscription, that'd be great. If you want me to talk about a subject, leave it in the comment section. I read the comments and I make YouTubes on a lot of what you give to me. So anyway, thank you very much. Have a great day.